How to save Twitter videos to your gallery. Start by opening the App Store on your iPhone. Tap the search bar, type Twitter, and hit search. If there's an update available, make sure to update the app so you're using the latest version. Now open the Twitter app and scroll through your feed to find the video you want to save. Tap on the video to open it fully. Then look at the bottom right and tap the share icon. If you're a premium user, you might see a download option. Tap it and the video will save directly. If not, go back and tap copy link to copy the video's URL. Now open Safari and go to the search bar. Type Twitter Video Downloader and tap search. Pick any site from the results that offers video downloading. Once you're on the site, paste the copied link into the text box. Tap Download. Then choose your preferred video resolution. Tap Download to confirm. Once the download is finished, open your Photos app. You'll find the video saved right there in your gallery. And that's how you download Twitter videos straight to your phone.